Can we just appreciate this not plastic straw? So oily and gross. Apologize for my appearance. We just got to our hotel room. That's why I am oily and gross from the airplane. But we ended up getting here like a half hour early maybe. Then we had to sit on the tarmac. It was a whole mess. But we ended up checking in by like 4 and our room was ready, which was nice. We paid for a oceanfront view room and this is what you get if you're wondering. So you walk in, and this is your little view. To the left, here, turn on the light switch. What's up? To the left is the bathroom. We got the toilet. We got a phone in case you want to make phone calls. Towels, hair dryer, which is nice. We got all the essentials if you forgot them. Lotion, conditioner, bath and body shower gel, shampoo, shoe polisher, a vanity kit. We have a shower cap and conservero, I don't know what that is. Some hand soap, the mirror, hair and towels, bath mat. This is the shower. Got a nice rain head. Then we have it like closes. It's like a oh, there we go. Looks like that. To the right you have a closet with a safe. You got some hangers, some top storage, hanger side. On this side you get two robes, some slippers, some more hangers, an extra like fleece blanket in case you get cold, an ironing board. That is the closet. And then you get a mirror. Ew, I look so gross and sweaty, whatever. Then you get this little luggage stand thingy. There's a thermostat, a door that you can't open. We have a nice big nightstand with a clock, a lamp, a phone. This is what the bed looks like, nice and big, pretty comfy. We got a nice size TV, and if you open this, it's the mini fridge. And the mini fridge is stocked with 3 cold waters, 2 cans of each soda. We got Diet Coke, we got Sprite, we got Coca-Cola, and then we have the Balashi, which is born and brewed in Aruba. It's a beer, I believe. What's that? And then you get, I think this is a DVD player. We got ice cups, we got more storage down here. There we go. More storage. What's that? You get a coffee maker with another water, some coffee. This is some more storage. You also get a recliner type chair, nightstand with another lamp. And then they have a desk, a chair. You get all the room service. There's like coupons, all that type of stuff. Discover Aruba. That is the room. This is a oceanfront suite, if you were wondering. And then they also have a balcony. Hello, hello. Which unfortunately we kind of have a view of part of the parking lot, but then over there is the ocean. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, so pretty. You get a table, 2 chairs, and then if you have like wet bathing suits, You have wet clothes. You can hang it from that thing over there. It pulls out. And that is pretty much it. These are like some nice blackout curtains, or if you want a lighter thing, a lighter lighting, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, I'm looking hot. Ooh. Anyways, so we are going to change. We just had a little bit of lunch, dinner type thing, but I am super sweaty. I am so oily from the plane, so I'm gonna freshen up, and then we're going to go down to get a drink at the bar, and then probably go swimming, and then go to sleep really early. That's the fun of it. That is day one. That is the little room tour. Yeah. Okay. I apologize if I am whispering. Jose is currently asleep. It is 8:58. So yeah, we pretty much had a really long day. We woke up around 3 in the morning, and we left my house at like 4 in the morning. It was really quick. It was like 2 hours to the airport, which is like the fastest it's ever been. The driver was really nice. I really liked him. I wasn't able to nap though. Jose was, of course. Guys can sleep anywhere. Absolutely anywhere. We got there around 6:30ish. We checked in our bags, and we had about like 3 hours to wait until we took off. And the guy that we did the outside bag check-in, the guy was like, oh, you guys aren't sitting next to each other, because originally we were both window seats, like 15F and 16F or something like that. And he was like, do you guys want to sit next to each other? And we were like, I mean, we didn't have a choice of what seats we could have picked. So we were like, yeah, sure, if you can do that, like, that'd be awesome. And he ended up doing it. He gave us an aisle. So I had the window seat, and then Jose had the aisle seat, and he said, you know, if no one comes for the center, you guys can sit next to each other. I mean, you could always ask to switch. He said, but right now there's no one there, so you guys would have the whole aisle. And we were like, oh my god, thank you so much. Like, I hope that guy is out there getting some good karma, because that was so kind. He didn't have to do that. He wasn't really supposed to do that, but that, like, made my day. That was really nice. And so when we got on the plane, it ended up being that no one sat there. People were, like, coming onto like, board, trying to find their seats and stuff. And we were like, oh, please don't sit here, please don't sit here. And then eventually everyone, like, was in their seats. We were getting ready to take off, and then more people started, like 5 people, and we were like, please don't sit here, please don't sit here, and they didn't, which was so nice. The plane ride was okay. I watched Monsters Inc. I watched Up. I cried, and then I watched Tangled because I pretty much napped. I didn't. We got off the plane, and then went through customs, all that stuff. We got onto the shuttle that we bought through EL Tours to take us to our hotel. That was pretty quick, so we ended up getting here by 3:45. We checked right in, our room was ready. A really nice guy brought our bags up, and then we went down and ate some food because I was hangry. I was tired and hangry. And then we came back here, we got changed, and we went down to the beach. We swam a little bit, we got some drinks, we came back, we showered, all that stuff, and then we just went to dinner. Just like the buffet, the casual buffet. And then we came back, I showered again, and then I just finished unpacking all of our stuff, all of our suitcases. So the room pretty much like is clean for the most part. So we just have like, yeah, I'll just have like, so, I want to show you. Brittany, look at all of our snacks. Oh my god. Because we always, like, even though it's an all-inclusive, oh god, you're on like a nightstand table that isn't secure. I feel like even though it's all-inclusive, I always get hungry for like snacky things. And here, their room service does service until 3 in the morning? 3 in the morning, which in the Dominican they didn't. So maybe we'll take advantage of that a couple times. I don't see a breakfast menu. That's what I would rather have, like have a breakfast in bed type thing. But we'll see. So I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm super tired. We're probably gonna get up early in the morning. But yeah. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning.